Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will learn how to add a coming soon and maintenance page. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress website. Then, go to the dashboard and click on the Plugins option. After clicking on Plugins, click on Add New Plugin. Next, you'll see a search box. Click on it and type CMP. After searching for CMP, you'll see a plugin called Coming Soon and Maintenance Plugin by Neteo Themes. Click on Install Now, and then click Activate. After that, scroll down, and you'll see an option called CMP Settings. Click on it. Here we have 6 options: Settings, Content, Customize, SEO Analytics, Custom CSS, and Advanced. Go to the Settings tab and scroll down. Activate the countdown option. After that, change CMP status from Disabled to Enabled. Scroll down a bit more and switch CMP mode to Maintenance mode. After doing that, click on Save All Changes. Then, log out from the admin panel. Remove everything after the .com in your site URL and search for your site again. You'll now see the countdown has started on your website. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.